I knew that I wanted to do a lot more digital advertising, so we worked with the SLAM team, and they've been great at creating really cool visuals for us. So it's nice to have the professional looking graphics paired with that and promoted online, and someone that understands how to do advertising buys working directly with us. I asked my niece, who's a journalism major, if she would write a backstory on the wizard, and my plan was just to post it on the website. I thought it'd be cute. She wrote this tremendous story. I read it and I was just like, wow, I need to do something more with this. And I thought that would be a good tool for kids to get a hold of. They might then connect more with the wash and encourage their parents to come back more frequently, maybe buy a monthly pass because they're invested in the experience as well. A lot of people love that it's just an old newspaper stand that we painted blue.
Oh, that's cool.
So you can kind of self-service, grab a copy of the book, and we put some decals on it, and it came out as a great way to kind of distribute it without having, again, make my staff another step. Then we even converted it into a narrated YouTube video. I think we might be the only car wash with a children's book.